Oh, what have we here? Adapteur NACS vers CCS. I think that's French for you can now drive across country in your Bolt. Okay, it's time to unbox this thing. The question I have is, are we going to find a Tesla adapter in here or a third-party adapter? Ford recently recalled some of the Tesla adapters they had been distributing, and coinciding with that was when GM started shipping these, so it's a mystery what's in this box. That's some thick tape. Okay, it's just like straight in there. That looks like the Tesla one. Also looks like a return. And nothing else in there. Nope. We'll get rid of the box. So what do we got here? Your charging options just expended. This is like hospital tape. There it is. NACS DC adapter. Doesn't have a manufacturer name on it or anything anywhere that I can see, but it is definitely the Tesla design. Alrighty, all that's left to do is try it. Okay, we're heading to the nearest V3 supercharger station to test this NACS adapter. Back here, believe it or not, is an oasis of electrons. A black Cybertruck is there. Okay, a lot to try here. Setting 1, 2B. Says to plug in this first. This into here. Now I gotta set the phone down, try my amp. Just locked the port. All right. Let's go get in the car and see what it says. $40 to get from 50% to 80%. That's pretty piss poor even for a Bolt. I parked in a direction in which the sun is glaring on the screens. So we are pulling 45 kilowatts, which is what we would expect. But I can't imagine it would take 40 minutes to get to 80%. But anyway, the good news is the Tesla adapter does work. And the GM app worked, which is probably more surprising than anything. All right, I think we've charged long enough to prove it works and is stable. So I'm going to go ahead and stop charging from the car. And see if we can get disconnected outside. Okay, this should pull out. Sorry. It's hard to do. And then I have to disconnect this. It's a two-handed operation. A 17-handed operation. All right, unhooking that with that in there, it's way too hard. Bong, bong. All the lovely bongs. Okay. That was fun. Test of success. Hey, what's that guy doing in my car?